In this question, we'll be calculating academic points. Now, Jack takes 5 courses in a semester. Assume that he receives 4 academic points for each course he completes. We're asked to calculate the expectation and variance of the total number of points he accumulated, assuming that the expected number of courses he completes is 3.5, with a variance of 2. Okay, so first of all, we know several things, and let's write them down. We know that x, right, is the number of courses. We know that the expectation of x is 3.5, and we know that the variance of x is 2. And again, how do we know that? Well, first of all, the expectation is right here, 3.5, and the variance is right here. And we're looking at courses in a semester.